Good day friends, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of sustainability, so let's get started. Sustainability has become an increasingly important concept in the world of business due to its profound impact on both the environment and society. It refers to the ability to meet present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Here are some key reasons why sustainability is crucial in the business world. Environmental conservation. Sustainable business practices focus on minimizing the negative impact on the environment. This includes reducing greenhouse gas emissions, conserving natural resources, managing waste effectively, and promoting renewable energy sources. By adopting eco-friendly practices, businesses contribute to preserving biodiversity, mitigating climate change, and protecting ecosystems. Resource efficiency. Sustainable business practices emphasize optimizing resource utilization. This includes reducing energy consumption, water usage, and raw material waste. By implementing efficient processes and technologies, businesses can reduce costs, improve productivity, and enhance their competitiveness. Additionally, resource efficiency helps conserve scarce resources, ensuring their availability for future generations. Risk mitigation. Sustainable business strategies address potential risks associated with environmental, social, and governance factors. Climate change, regulatory changes, and reputational risks are just a few examples. By incorporating sustainability into their operations, businesses can better adapt to changing circumstances and reduce vulnerability to disruptions. This proactive approach helps enhance resilience and long-term viability. Stakeholder expectations. Consumers, investors, employees, and other stakeholders increasingly expect businesses to act responsibly and contribute positively to society. Sustainability initiatives help build trust, strengthen brand reputation, and foster long-term relationships with stakeholders. Businesses that prioritize sustainability are more likely to attract customers, retain talent, and access capital investment. Legal and regulatory compliance. Governments around the world are enacting stricter regulations and standards related to environmental protection, labor practices, and ethical considerations. By embracing sustainability practices, businesses ensure compliance with these evolving regulations. Furthermore, proactive sustainability efforts can help businesses stay ahead of regulatory changes and minimize potential penalties or legal issues. Market opportunities and innovation. Sustainability challenges also present significant market opportunities. The growing demand for sustainable products and services provides businesses with a chance to differentiate themselves and capture new market segments. By embracing sustainability, companies can foster innovation, develop eco-friendly technologies, and create products that align with evolving consumer preferences. Social impact and ethical considerations. Businesses have a responsibility to contribute positively to society. By adopting sustainable practices, companies can enhance social welfare, support local communities, and promote fair labor practices. This includes ensuring safe working conditions, providing equal opportunities, and respecting human rights throughout the supply chain. In summary, sustainability is crucial in the business world due to its impact on the environment, resource efficiency, risk mitigation, stakeholder expectations, legal compliance, market opportunities, and social impact. By integrating sustainability into their strategies, businesses can not only reduce their environmental footprint but also achieve long-term success in an increasingly conscious and interconnected world. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.